It is said, before enlightenment, you chop wood and you draw water. Can you draw water? What would its picture look like? A torrent, a stream, a polluted wetland, a foul estuary? Do you draw what you cannot see or feel? What does that look like on the page or in your mind's eye? Does your mind have an eye? Does your art look better than you do being water after all? How flow you? As for wood chopping, feel the weight of the axe. Position your feet, center your core, raise the axe, and let it fall true along the grains of fiber that represent you, gnarled in some places, easily broken in others, but where the blade meets the vein is where it will split and break and be flung each way. Cut now, waiting for its next calling. Water, wood, axes, metal, fire. Like this desire, you have to be seen, to be felt, to be a reimagined being. After enlightenment, you are still required to chop wood, draw water. What does the picture look like if it is not the watercolor of a slaughter? Split fibers, open sesame, wood dreams gasp for wetness in the dying solstice sun. My blisters crust and burst, and I hold the axe as if against the foe that laid his neck down, just so I could find the grain and split it into infinity without shame. Draw the water. It's deep and blue, and you are swimming in it, and I am too. Chop the wood from the base entrails. No thing I could do enlightened matches what you said was true.